A soccer ball is kicked from the ground, and it finally lands at 90 feet away from where it was kicked. When it was 10 feet away from the player, it was 12 feet in the air. And this is what this graph shows, and that is what we got from the equation, to get the equation.
Once you have the graph and the equation, you plug the point back in to get 12 equals a times 10 minus 90 times 10 minus 0.
Now the equation is in x-intercept form. To solve it, you first subtract 10 by 90 and then 10 by 0, and then you get negative 800. So the whole equation after is 12 equals negative 800a. You divide both sides by negative 800, and the answer after is negative 0.015 for a. After you solve for a, you plug the value of a back into the original equation.
Once you plug a back into the equation, you have your final x-intercept equation. Then to get the final point, the vertex, you have to divide the points by 2, and then the x value you get is 45. Then you plug 45 in for x in the equation, and you eventually find y, and what we got was 30.375 as our final answer of where the ball was in the air as the maximum height. This video was done by Brendan, Jack, Katie, and Eddie.